Hello everyone! Another day, another vlog. Airbnb tour today. Yan guys, ito yung nalinis ko today. Airbnb tour. Samahan nyo ako. Yan guys. Meron dyang refrigerator, oven, mga utensils dyan nakalagay. Ito yung dining table. Pwede kayo dyan lumabas para magpahangin. Good for 3 person dito guys. Ito yung divano or sofa bed, may television, ayan, may espresso machine, pwede na kayo dyan magluto. At dito naman, yan ang nakabungad ay bathroom. Ito yung ating bathroom guys. Ayan, may free tissue, shower. At pwede din kayo dito maglaba. Ayan, pwede na yung sabon. At dito naman ang kwarto. Ayan guys, ang kwarto natin. Ayan, merong bintana dyan. Ito yung wardrobe. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and share. Bye-bye.